Oh wait, we need barrels of water. Right now, barrels. All the trash barrels, we need to push this water into that, not in our tent.
Right there.
Oh! Oh shit! Oh!
Hey, is this ratchet? Hang on it!
I'm filming all of this!
That pole on the end there.
I'm filming all of it! Woo!
Hell, fuck, man.
Does this happen all the time or not?
It has happened before, yeah.
Round two's on its way. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, the sand! Oh! Oh!
Are you able to bring it down?
Oh shit! We soaking wet in this motherfucker.
That's all it does?
I told you it was gonna rain. Nobody ever fucking believes me.
So the first year I was here, it rained for 2 days like that. Non-stop. Non-stop. Like 50% of the camps left. It was hardcore.
And look, we're still here.
That's the most rain I've seen since our first year.
Oh, come on, Monday, 2 years ago?
It rained a lot, but it was spread out. That right there was a lot all at once.
Hey, Nikki. Your first burn, bro. Woo! Welcome to inclement weather. If it's not a dust storm, it's fucking hail. Oh, shit.